Today we will learn how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Means आज हम ये सीखने वाले हैं कि किसी भी improper fraction को mixed fraction में change कैसे करते हैं. But before that we must know कि improper fraction है क्या. Any fraction which numerator is bigger than denominator is called improper fraction. For example, we can have the fraction 23/7. Now this 23/7 एक improper fraction है. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो numerator है that is 23. 23 is bigger than 7. Next we learn about mixed fraction. अब mixed fraction क्या है? Mixed fraction जो है that is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. So we can have the example 5 into 2/3. Now in this fraction 5 into 2/3, 5 is a whole number and this 2/3 is a proper fraction. So 5 into 2/3 is a mixed fraction. Now let us learn how to convert any improper fraction into mixed fraction. It's quite simple. First step is we have to divide numerator by denominator. It means we will divide this 18 by 7. For this, what we have to do is we have to now recall the table of 7 so that either we get 18 or number less than 18. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28. Now on table of 7, we find that 14 is less than 18. So we will take this 14. Now 7 twos are 14. Now we subtract this 4 from 8. Now after subtraction, we get 8 minus 4 is 4 and 1 minus 1 is 0. Now after division, we find that our quotient is 2, our remainder is 4 and our divisor is 7. So now when we have to write given fraction into mixed fraction, we have to go from quotient to remainder and then from remainder to divisor. So when we have to write the corresponding mixed fraction, first we will write quotient, then remainder and then divisor. So correct format is QRD. So in this way, our fraction is 2 into 4/7. Simply we have written first this quotient as a whole number, then this remainder in the numerator and this divisor in the denominator. Let us do the next sum. Now let us convert this fraction 56/9 into mixed fraction. So very same. First step is we have to divide this 56 by 9. Now what we have to do is we have to simply recall the table of 9. 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54, and 9 sevens are 63. Now on table of 9, we were to find the number either 56 or the number smaller than this. So we find here 54. This 54 is smaller than 56. So we get 9, 6 are 54. Now we subtract this 4 from 6. We get 2 and 5 minus 5 is 0. So now we have got 6 as our quotient, 2 as our remainder and 9 is our divisor. Now to write the corresponding mixed fraction, we have to go from this Q to R and then from R to D. Our resultant mixed fraction will be Q into R by D. So let us write that. First we write this 6, then 2 by 9. Now let us learn how to convert given mixed fraction into improper fraction. Let us have the mixed fraction 2 into 3/4. And now we have to convert this 2/3 2 into 3 by 4 into improper fraction. So we will first rewrite this fraction. Now what we have to do is simply we have to multiply first this 4 by 2. We have written here 4 into 2. Whatever answer comes, we have to add 3 in that. So we get 4 into 2 plus 3, and this 4 will be in the denominator. Now let us do. 4 into 2 we get 8 plus 3 by 4. Now 8 plus 3 is 11 by 4. So we get here 11 by 4. Let us do one more sum. Let us change the fraction 3 into 6 by 8 into improper fraction. The way is same. First we will multiply this 8 by 3. Like this, we will first multiply 8 by 3. Then whatever answer comes, we will add 6 to it. How we have done? First we have multiplied this 8 by 3. We have written here 8 into 3 plus. Then we will add 6 to it. Now 8 3s are 24. Then we have to add 6 in this by 8. Now 24 plus 6 is 30. We have 30 upon 8. Now let us learn how to compare two mixed fractions. So let us have the two fractions 3 into 2 by 3 and 2 into 1 by 8. The way is same. First we have to write these fractions. After that we will convert these two mixed fractions into improper fraction. First we will multiply this 3 by 3. Whatever comes we will add 2 to it. Now let us start. We will first write 3 into 3. Then we will add 2 to the answer. In denominator we are having 3. Now 3 3s are 9 plus 2. We get here fraction 11 by 3. Second, we are having the fraction 8, this 2 into 1 by 8. Now what to do? We will first multiply this 8 by 2, and then whatever answer comes, we will add 1 to it. Now let us just start multiplying. Now 8 into 2 plus 1. In denominator, we are having 8. Now 8 2s are 16 plus 1. We will get here fraction 17 by 8. So corresponding to these two mixed fractions, we have got the fractions 11 by 3 and 17 by 8. Now what to do? Now we have to simply just cross multiply. In cross multiply, what we have to do is first we will multiply this 11 by 8 from top to bottom. Then we go from bottom to top, from this 3 to 17. Now we will write 11 into 8, and on right hand side we will write 3 into 17. Now 11 8s are 88 and 3 17s are 51. Now we compare these two numbers. Among 88 and 51, 88 is bigger than 51. So the fraction on the left, that is 3 into 2 by 3, is bigger than 2 into 1 by 8. Let us do one more sum. We are having the fractions 3 into 2 by 3 and 4 into 1 by 4. What to do? The way is same. First we rewrite these fractions, then we have to convert these mixed fractions into improper fraction. So first we will multiply this 3 by 3. 3 3s are 9. Then we will add 2 to it. 9 plus 2. I will get the fraction here 11 by 3. Then on there is second fraction 4 into 1 by 4. Now first what we have to do is simply we will multiply this 4 by 4. 4 into 4, 16. Then we will add 1 to it. 16 plus 1. I get now 17 here. Now second step, I have to cross multiply. How to cross multiply? First come from top to bottom. Then go from this bottom to top. So we will rewrite here 11 into 4. And on right side, we will write 3 into 17. Now 11 4s are 44 and 3 17s are 51. Now among these two numbers, 44 and 51, 51 is bigger. So 3 into 2 by 3, this fraction is less than 4 into 1 by 4. In this way, we have learned how to compare two mixed fractions.